If you're getting prompt like can't send request or you can't use this feature right now on your Facebook, let's see how you can fix this issue easily. For that, first you have to understand why it's happening. If you keep seeing the same prompt, it's likely that Facebook has temporarily restricted you from sending requests. This usually happens if you have sent too many friend requests in a short period, for example, sending over 20 at once. In such cases, Facebook may block this feature for about a week. Next, you have to check if your profile is restricted. For that, open up your Facebook, go to your profile, and tap the three dot next to your info. Then select profile status. If you see a green check mark like me, so that means your account is in good standing, but if there's a restriction message or warning, it means you are temporarily blocked. In that case, you will need to wait for the restriction to be lifted, usually within a week. Next, you have to know you are not trying to add a page or public figure. If you're trying to send a request to a public figure, band, or page, Facebook won't allow it. But some users turn off the option to receive friend requests, so if you don't see the add friend button on your profile, this could be the reason. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Just wait for any temporary restriction to be lifted and you should be able to send requests again soon. So like the video and subscribe for more tips.